Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
That is some pulled pork. I have a recipe on how you make that. I'll show that to you later. Got an egg, some sourdough bread, some pickles. Mike Foster here. I can't wait for this sandwich. It's a fried egg and pulled pork sandwich. And again, I said I have a pulled pork recipe. Check the links below and in the cards. It's a killer pulled pork recipe, and you can make so many different meals out of it. And this one's my fried egg one. Because you know there's got to be a fried egg recipe somewhere with Mike. We're going to add some mayo, some Dijon mustard, and some pickles. My mouth just started watering. Meet you at the stove. Okay, we got a warm pan. We're going to put it just a little below medium. Add just some butter. Whip that around. Is that an egg? Oh, yeah. A little pepper. All right, how we doing? It's been about a minute. Another 30 seconds, and I'm going to flip this baby. Baby's ready for a flip. Gorgeous. Look how beautiful that baby is. Shut it off. Let's get that toast ready. I'll meet you at the counter, put this bad boy together. Okay, to this little butter on both sides. Not a lot. Little mayo on this side. Just so it gets a little mayo-y. A little more. There. Beautiful. Little Dijon mustard on this side. Oh. You know it goes good with mustard. Pickles. Pickles. Yeah, did I say pickles? Here's that pulled pork, and again, you gotta try this recipe. You can do anything with it once you get it slow cooked. That is gorgeous. You can just eat it like that without the egg. But you know who you're watching, right? Foster, the fried egg sandwich king. And speaking of fried eggs, there it is. Put that baby down right here. You'll flipperoo. Ooh. Press. Let's give it the old sliceroo. Is that delightful? Look at that. The yolk is seeping out. Let's get a close-up. There's a close-up of the fried egg pulled pork sandwich. We got a pickle in there too. Can't wait for the big bite. Need I say more? The only thing that I need to say is this. I got that mustard and pickle right off. The creaminess of that egg cooked perfectly so the yolk can do its thing. And then that pork. You gotta try that pork. Again, we got a video on the link below. This is a good sandwich. What more to say except try all my sandwich recipes. And check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name for anything, not just food, but videos about anything you want about life. Keep living life 365 until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
I like that. I think my head's cut off again. Eat pork 365. That's my new website, Eat Pork 365. Sweet Babu.